welcome to Fisk. In today's video we are going to study about how we can use options as a hedging instrument for short positions. So just like we use options to hedge our position in long positions, similarly we can use them in short positions. One of the way is like if you have a short position in a stock, that means let's say there is a stock trading at $100 and you are expecting it to go down to 90. So you already shorted the stock at 100 and you are expecting that it will go down to 90 and you will buy back it again, and then you will say give it to the person from whom you have borrowed it for short selling, and then the $10 profit will be all yours. So this is what you are expecting in the short position. Now you have a fear that it may not go down to 90 and it may even go up, in which case you have to buy it at a higher price and then pay it back to the lender. So in such a case you want to cover your upside because you have already a short position. So let's see what happens if you have this short position. So the payoff diagram is like this. And similarly, call option, if you buy a call option, your payoff is like this. Now you can see that this position is completely offsetting this position. So your downside, means the loss you are going to have because of rising stock price, will be taken care of by the call option, and you will only have this upside when the price goes down. So the net payoff will be like this. So this will be your payoff diagram for a short position plus a call option. And this is almost similar to a protective put. And now we are going to discuss how it appears when we want to sell the downside. So we want to sell our this positive side, that if stock goes down, you will get you will be able to offset this position, and you are taking your downside, means this with you. Maybe it is not you are not able to understand it like that, but what I am explaining is some sort of similar position like a covered call. Okay, so selling your upside, similarly here selling your upside means selling your this upside and keeping the downside. So how you can do it? Let's see. So to sell your upside in a short position, let's say this is your short position, so this is your upside. If you sell a put option, the payoff would be like this. So this is the payoff, that means this upside is offsetted and you are only keeping the downside. So the payoff diagram for this kind of position will be this. So you can understand that this is similar to a covered call for a long position. Here you are selling the upside, and in the previous case you were hedging for the downside. So this is how we can use options in a short position. This is all what we had to study in this particular video. Please watch the rest of the videos of this series and like, comment and subscribe the channel.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें।